How to use record mode in AJ Auto Clicker, best auto clicker. Now to use record mode, what you do now is to click on start here. Watch video in order to use all the premium feature. If you have not paid for the premium version, here I'll watch ad to show you an example. As you can see, I'm watching ad.
Hi, can I start earning with 16,000 naira?
Now after watching ad, what you do now is just click on this start icon. Here all the premium features are unlocked. Now click on this record mode. Now click on start. Now here, as you can see, we have started using the record mode. You can see the video icon here, you see it. Now there are two things you can use this record mode to do. You can use it to record swipe, you can use it to record tap. Now the first one is how to record swipe. Now to record swipe, what you do now is just here, click on this camera icon here, you see it. Now record how you want it to swipe. Here you can see. Now if you want to reduce it, click on this minus and then add it again like this, you see it. Now what you do is just click on this pause icon here. As you can see, it will ask you to save the script. This thing is called script. What you do now is just click on this save now, add the script name, or just save it like this by clicking on this save. Now after saving the script, what you do is now go to the place you want to use it like this. Here I will use my Facebook account to show how the swipe work. As you can see, I'm inside my Facebook account. Now to use it, what you do now is just click on this play icon here to start using it like this.
Happy weekend, lovely people of God.
You see it is swiping, you see it. Now in order to change the swiping method, like to change the speed like this, what you do now is just click on this pause icon to pause it, and then click on this camera icon to remove this one, and then add another one like this. Now set the speed how you want it to swipe like this. Now click on this pause icon to save the script here. Now click on save now, or click on get started to start using it instantly. Now here I will click on save. Now save the script. Now click on this play icon to start it. You see it, it is swiping now. Now the second one is how to use this video mode to tap. Now to use it, here we will pause this one like this and then remove it like this, you see it, and then click on this pause icon to remove it entirely. Now to use it to tap, here go to the application where you want it to tap. Here I will use my game. Here inside is one of my game called tap call. Now to use the record mode to tap, here click on this camera icon here, select how you want it to tap, like show it how you want it to tap like this. Now what you do now is just click on this pause icon here to save it. Now click on save now to save the script. If you subscribe for the premium version, you can select any script. All the script will be saved here. You can slide it and select anyone from the previous script. That's the benefit of paying for the premium version. Now here click on save. Now what you do is just click on this play icon to start using it. You see it, it is tapping how I set it. You see it is tapping how I set it in that video mode. You see it. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you are visiting for the first time, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial. And also you will love this channel. Thank you for watching. Most of all, watch the video on the screen or check it on the description section in order to know everything on how to use the AJ Auto Clicker application. Also, if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Thank you. See you on the next video. Peace.